Hello guys, let me share you our experiences in Vietnam. Let's go!
Passengers on row seating.
Press the backs of our hands together.
Queen,
It's still
anong tanong mo
wet, so
kanina?
the ink should transfer. Meet me at the side door. We'll sneak onto the main floor.
Trời chị taxi ở đâu sao nhận thẻ không? Chị lấy taxi son, where
No,
you
no.
go?
Thank you.
Do you want to buy a SIM card?
에? 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 에?
SIM card sir?
No need, no need. At danagan nang iamomit ti kwa na dito eh. Omit suna. No sir, no sir.
Oh my god. So cute.
Okay, so nakabili na rin kami ng roaming SIM card dito sa Vietnam. Kailangan natin ng SIM card kasi kailangan natin ng data. Kasi we have day-to-day transaction sa Pilipinas, no? Pilipinas pala. So yung ambience, mainit din. Parang Pilipinas lang din, guys. Ito si Jasmine. Tour guide namin si Jasmine. Jasmine at si Mrs. At si Queen Queen. So, may tour guide kami. Parang bata pa si Jasmine. So, waiting kami ngayon ng sasakyan or parang taxi, ganun. Daming tao guys, no? Sa airport nila, medyo mas organized siya kaysa sa NAIA. Mas maganda yung ambience, malinis, organized. Sa klima naman, mainit din. Parang nasa Africa lang din ako, yan, no? Say hi. So yung tour guide namin, pangalan niya Jasmine. Province. Isabela.
Quite close to Manila or far?
Far. 12-hour drive.
So you need to catch a flight from your province
Yeah.
to Manila and from Manila to go here. Just far.
Very far. Okay guys, nandito na kami ngayon sa La Castella Hotel sa Hanoi. So from airport to this hotel guys, almost 1 hour. Let's say about 45 minutes or 50 minutes. At andito na kami ngayon. Very nice. Parang hindi naman siya yung typical na 5-star hotel or 3-star hotel. Pero very comfortable na kami dito ng aking pamilya. And yun, bago kami pumunta pala dito guys, no, nagpapalit na kami ng pera. Mrs. Let's see the money. So ito yung pera guys. Okay. Yan. Very good money. Parang ano rin siya, polymer na rin siya eh. Parang sa yung tig-isang libo. So yan, nagpapalit kami about couple of thousand lang sa Philippine peso. At yun, ayun na nga guys, magre-rest lang kami ng konti, maggagayak kasi pupunta kami dun sa sinasabi ni Jasmine, yung tour guide namin, sinasabi niya na masarap daw na kainan. Parang pansit yata siya or soup ba? Soup? Parang chicken soup. So, yun. Pupunta kami ngayon doon. Si Jasmine napakabait. Meron din kami nakilala dito na hotel receptionist. Pangalan niya Rain. Si Rain. Ang hirap ng pagbigkas nun pagka Vietnamese. So, Rain na lang yung itatawag ko sa kanya. At yun guys, no, babalitaan na lang namin kayo sa mga susunod na kabanata. At see you again. Punta muna kami kakain. Papakita ko sa inyo yung pagkain na sinasabi ni Jasmine. Okay guys, so yun. Kakain muna kami sa labas. Sabi ni Jasmine may ano daw dito, malapit na kainan. Yun o. Ang daldal niya guys. Super. Ayun.
Okay, we're coming.
Oh, alright.
Okay, we will go inside here. Of course, no worry. I don't sell you to Cambodia or China.
Yeah, I know.
Vâng ạ. And of course,
So this is
you
the
know,
place,
go inside
guys.
to buy something to view our house.
Alright, so yan yung okay, pasok. Close your umbrella, Queen. Oh, so para lang siyang iskinitang maliit. Sabi niya, masarap daw dito. So, let's try. Hello.
Okay, we can have it here. Okay, so you want to order something new?
Like, is there any options?
Oh yeah, let
You
me
can-
ask about menu because normally I
Like
leave
the
the
menu.
customer come here to try the mixed glass noodle one. Ôi,
Okay, guys.
Okay, this is the menu first. Con chưa cho khách xem đã. I'm so highly recommend the mixed glass noodle. This one,
This one?
yes, really easy to try, even though like in hot weather or cold weather. It's so good. But I think you guys can try something different. Yeah.
I can't see any difference.
It looks the same.
For me, it's the same. Like the photo.
Yeah. Let's look at the name. Okay, so
sure.
which ones you want to order?
Let's try this.
A little bit sweet of sugar.
So ako, hindi ako marunong gumamit nito. Nakikisama lang ako guys ha. So guys, nakita niyo ba to? Hindi mag-focus yan.
Cilantro.
What do you call it?
Cilantro.
Cilantro.
English name. Vietnamese name. Rau mùi.
Zamoy. We call it damo.
Rau mùi.
Alright guys, try na natin.
Well, I chipped my tooth on a tangerine, and the jaybird singing something about the way things used to be. Now I'm dancing on a wire like a cheap paper tiger, strumming on a heartstring stereo to a song that no one knows, and it goes like this. Hey, hey, yeah, said it goes like this. Say la vie or don't ask me, 'cause it goes like this. Yeah. So I pack my bags and I'm on my way. And all my friends are upside down, but I get around okay. Now I'm dancing on a tightrope, oh, like some silly little psycho. Only one way out of this two-lane town, and around we go, and it goes like this. Oh yes, and it goes like this.
Alright guys, papunta na kami sa breakfast. Let's see. Oh, white dragon fruit. Good morning.
My favorite guy. Cock.
What's that? Your favorite? Good morning. Tea. You have rice?
This is the rice noodle.
Rice mungo.
This is soup for rice noodle.
Ah, so this is rice.
Yes, right. Rice pancake, but the Vietnam version.
The Vietnam version of rice. So what do you call this?
Rice noodle.
Rice noodle.
And, it means bánh cuốn.
Bang Pun.
Yeah. And we have a breakfast menu. Everything is included. You can order with us.
Okay.
Yeah. Each person can order 3 or 4 options.
All right.
Yeah. No extra fee.
So this is per order, not self-service.
Yes,
Alright.
included. Yeah, that one you take it by yourself and
Yeah.
you can order. some
Okay.
more options.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Very nice. Ah, sige. Ito naman sa akin, guys. Ito daw yung rice version nila, guys. Pero para siyang, ang tawag dito, para siyang wrapper ng lumpia.
po kasi board ako. Tapos, dito naman, garage.
Itong parang rice.
Naman sala, tapos may Kanina naman, pasto. Tapos may pintuan dito. Kung gusto nyo lumabas.
Day 1 in Vietnam! Outfit check! Yay! Let's go! Okay guys, ayun, na-briefing na kami dito sa mapa. Mapa ng Hanoi. Pupunta namin. So, actually, may nabook na yung ano namin dito, about dito guys. Yung aming tour guide.
Well, I tip my tooth on a tangerine. And the jaybird singing something about the way things used to be. Now I'm dancing on a wire like a cheap paper tiger. Strumming
Ayun,
on
no?
a heartstring string.
Napaka-traditional din ng pagbebenta nila.
And it goes like this. Hey, hey, yeah, said it goes like this.
Tony Quinn eh.
Say la vie, oh, don't ask me, 'cause it goes like this.
Thank you. Tapan mo lahat ano. Wow. Nice. Okay guys, nakabili kami ng ticket na pasok dito sa temple. 1, 2 1, 2
Dancing on a tightrope, oh, like some silly little psycho. Only one way out of this two-lane town, and around we go, and it goes like this. Oh yeah, say it goes like this. Say la vie, oh, don't ask me, 'cause it goes like this.
30 na lang.
Song together.
Okay.
Happy birthday to
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Birthday to you.
Hi. Wow.
Kunin ko yung ano. Okay guys, nandito kami ngayon sa famous train station. Pero dito, syempre, kailangan mong bumili ng drinks. Okay. Ayan na yung train. Wow guys. One of the best experience. So huge. Bye-bye! Bye-bye!
Even though Korean. I mean, I never really buy like
Ang ganda dito guys. I recommend na pumunta kayo dito sa Vietnam and i-try nyo yung ganitong klase ng experience. Wala akong masabi. Very, nakakapagod, very tiring, pero at the same time, nakaka-excite. Ang ganda. Kahit neighboring country lang natin sila, ang dami din palang may offer sa atin pagdating sa tourism. Ang daming nai-offer ng Vietnam. So, one of the best place ever. Vietnam #1. Alright guys, dito kami ngayon sa bus papuntang Sapa. 6 hours yung biyahe. Pero tingnan nyo na kung gano'n ka-comfortable. Pwede ako maiga. Yan siya. Sa lahat ng pasahero pwede maiga. Si Queen at saka si Mami, yan, pwede rin sila maiga. So kahit gaano kalayo yung biyahe, very comfortable kami. Kasi may higaan. Okay? So hindi siya upuan, higaan siya. Alright, good morning guys. Nandito na kami ngayon sa Sapa. Okay. At nag-order na kami ng fried rice. Look at that, bro. Wow. Yan ang food. Soy sauce. And drink. Yung isa tulog pa. Karating lang kasi namin. Nasa 7 hours yung biyahe namin from Hanoi to Sapa. At nandito kami ngayon sa isang sikat na restaurant. At ayun si Jacob, isang tour guide namin dito sa Sapa. Yan, say hello.
Hello.
Punta na kami ng
Cat
Village.
Village.
Day 2. Your first time. Really?
Last time we talked, you had nothing to say. You chose to walk, give what we had away. I hope you get what you're looking for. But babe, with me, you close the door on everything we could have been. Don't go thinking we could be friends. No, you can't bring us back from the dead. 'Cause when you know, and when you don't, when it ends, it ends. When it ends, it ends.
Xin kính mời quý vị cùng thưởng thức màn hòa
Very
tấu
nice.
Sống lành học tốt và diễn
Nakakatuwa.
bạn do các nghệ nhân tại bản Cát Cát.
Apaw, kumana na siya. Very nice culture.
Aray ko!
Malunggay pandesal.
Okay guys, so nandito na kami sa Pansipan. Nagsuot kami ng raincoat guys kasi yan. Kasi maulan dito ngayon sa Pansipan. Magke-cable car kami ngayon. Papunta dun sa sikat na Pansipan. Ayan oh, guys, so zero visibility. Gago! Yan. Pero okay lang, may enjoy pa rin naman namin siya. Kahapon kasi sobrang init, ngayon naman sobrang ulan. Ang daming pupunta guys, so.
We want pen. We want pen.
We want Oh, say English, mommy. Say English. Huh? Huh? You like me? You say you like me? Eh? Let's go, let's go.
Hi.
Sige.
Xin chào.
Xin chào. Oh, good. Wow. So guys, dito pumila na kami. Grabe, ang daming tao guys. So, ang daming tao. Ayun guys, so napakaraming tao. Woo! Vietnam Pansipan. Tawag nila dito guys, Pansipan. May cable car. Tapos mamaya titignan natin kung ano yung meron dun sa yung dadaungan ng cable car. Sa ngayon, update ko muna kayo dahil pipila kami ng pagkahaba-haba guys. So, ang daming tao natin. Okay, see you later guys. Hello! Nakasakay na kami sa cable car. Marami guys, tao.
Thế giới được biết đấy. Ban buông sáng thôi.
Nói cho vui thôi, cho em hát.
Nalawlawag dito.
Cái lương anh mang cho em.
Đi đâu?
Bây giờ mẹ chia 5 phải bật.
Đúng rồi, đúng rồi.
Sáu với chủ tịch nhất, bây giờ để chủ tịch đưa câu.
Okay guys, so nakarating na kami.
Naghintay ka ba? Wala na. It's a prank. No, 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 no.
Ở đây chắc chị nói thôi.
Vlog, taas. Pero hindi makita, grabe. Oh, lakas ng hangin. pabalik na kami sa cable car na naman kami ulit. Yeah. Okay guys, great experience. Sa sobrang lamig dun sa taas, halos walang makita. Nagkasipon na kami. Ito kasi, si Pitang. Pitang. Nagkasipon din si Pitang no? Okay, so great experience guys. Highly recommended pag pumunta kayo dito. Masarap sa pakiramdam. So,
Summer.
hindi, summer pa rin naman Pero nagkataon lang kasi na umulan. Pero okay pa rin naman. Goods pa rin yung yung photos, videos, yung experience na medyo foggy siya. Goods na goods pa rin yung experience. Ano masasabi mo, asawa? Sobrang saya.
Kahit sobrang lamig.
Yan siya guys, Sana all. Sana all naman to si tropa. Ang aming nakita. Kami na pwestuhan. Okay. Guys, kita niyo naman talaga naman, sana all. Tropa. You're gonna hulog? Opo. Okay.
Halal itu nanti yang ketiga yang empat kemarin itu kita. Sini yang ketiga ini yang kita.
Nice? You like it? Okay guys, so medyo maganda na yung dito sa baba, yung panahon dito sa baba. Magpipicture kami dito, yan guys, You guys see that? Xin chào. Ganda dito guys. Yeah, I think. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye Sun World, Ponsipan.
Apa?
See you again.
Enjoy ko naman. Akala ko suman. Akala ko suman siya. One pala. Malagkit siya. This one?
Yes, this one.
What's inside? Like the orange?
Shrimp.
Shrimp.
Small shrimp.
Shrimp.
Well, I chipped my tooth on a tangerine. And the jaybird singing something about the way things used to be.
Wow.
Now I'm dancing on
guys, oh. Ayan yung glass. Ayan yung guys. May kasabay na ako maglakad. Tapos nauga na ng malakas. Aray ko! Okay, let's go! May toyo ba ay Belma? Say hi. Truck tracker tuloy.